What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you how to triple your money in one weekend. Now, I'm not talking about tripling millions of dollars. I'm talking about the people that have very little to begin with, that have $100, $200, maybe they only have 20 bucks to their name. How can you triple your money in one weekend? Well, I'm going to show you that right now. So have you ever heard of the saying, one man's trash is another man's treasure? If you have, then you might know what I'm talking about. If you haven't, let me show you something. Here are two items I picked up just this morning. One is it's a 32 ounce hydro flask. Okay, these things you can pick up from Costco. I know that because I have some. I picked this up for 50 cents, okay? It's a hydro flask, okay? I have them. I picked this up for 50 cents at a yard sale today, this morning. And I picked this up as well. It's a Mishi purse, it's actually a shell cover. So what you do is you take this and you snap it onto a purse. You have just a regular purse, as long as it's made by Mishi, or Michi I think, anyway, and it has magnets and it snaps on. These are things that I purchased in bulk many years ago. So I do know that they sell. Now, this item right here, and I'm gonna show you both these items. I'm gonna show you both these items, what they're selling for on eBay, and how you can double your money by buying one man's trash. So if you are serious about making money, not even tripling your money, but maybe doubling it, taking $20 turned into 40, or taking $20 turned into 30, 35, okay? You can do that. But most people are not willing to put in the work. If you go out to yard sales, and right now, springtime, if you're watching this today that I actually recorded it, it is springtime. It's a nice day, so I went out, I looked for items. It took me about 40 minutes. I picked up a bunch of stuff. And these are just two of the items I picked up. And I want to show you why I always say one man's trash is another man's treasure. Because in some cases, it actually is, and you can make money. So let me show you. All right, so let me show you, okay, these are two items I picked up. I got the red 32 ounce hydro flask, and I also got the Mishi shell cover. Now, let me show you what some of these things are going for and how you can double your money, okay? So I didn't actually tell you, or did I? So I paid 50 cents for this item, this red hydro flask. If you ever see these things, now these people were asking $2 off for 50 cents. They took 50 cents, okay? Always negotiate when you're at a yard sale. Now this one right here, let's find the exact one. So it looks just like this one. It has this kind of tab, this kind of top connector thing. So it looks just like this one, but it's red. Let's see. I'm not seeing it. Okay, same thing. Look at this, 20 bucks for orange, $20 and $10 shipping. So right here, $13 and $9 shipping. Okay, so you see that they're selling. Okay, so maybe red isn't the best color. Maybe red's a rare color. I have no idea, but I'm gonna put it up here. I'm gonna put it on eBay at some point, and I'm gonna sell it. Okay, turn my 50 cents into, I bet I'm gonna make more than $1.50 off it. I guarantee you that. I'll probably make anywhere from, I'd say about 10 to 12 bucks off this one item if I sell it for about $20, which I think I could easily get 20 for it. Okay, so that's just one item. Just one item. Okay, now if they had more, I would have bought more, but they didn't. This was all they had. Okay, and it looked like it was in good condition. Okay, let's look at the Mishi shell covers or purse covers. This one, I had just a simple brown one. These ones look like the shell, classic shell. Okay, selling for about $12. Okay, so I actually bought 3 of those, and I paid $2. Paid $2 for 3 of the actual covers. I'll probably do a lot, like the 3 item, little bulk buy. But my guess is I'll be able to get anywhere from $6 to $7 out of it. So let's say I get $6 out of each one. Okay, I bought 3. Okay, I paid $2, so I bought 3. If I sell for $18 total, then I'd be in it. I'd make 16. Then there's shipping, there's fees. So I'm gonna assume I could probably make about $8 to $10. Okay, I paid $2. So that's quadrupling my money if I make $8 profit. And that's what I'm talking about. Things like this, okay? Maybe you find the actual purse, okay, the actual bag that goes with it, and then you also have the shells. That's where you can make a lot of money, okay? That's where you can make some really good money if you have the right shells and you have a good quality bag, okay? Now, I'm not saying Mishi is the best brand, because honestly it's not. You can make some money. Actually, this is one that I have. This one right here, I don't have the bag. I just have the shell covers, but that's actually one that I have, okay? So what you need to understand is go out there and look. Go out there and find stuff. Some things you're going to make money on. I bought so many things where I've lost money, okay? But I don't lose a lot because I keep my risk very low. A lot of times I buy from thrift stores, buy from pawn shops, buy from yard sales, from Facebook, okay? So a lot of times I go to these places with the intent to buy a certain product or certain item, but maybe it's not there. Maybe I look at other things. There's been times where I bought stuff and I've lost a few bucks. And that's completely fine. Because in the whole grand scheme of things, over the course of a few weeks, a month, or the calendar year, I'm making a lot more than I'm losing. And that's how you stay in business. And that's what you need to do if you want to be successful. All right. So one last thing I just want to point out is it doesn't matter what it is you're buying. You could be buying purses. You could be buying these Hydro Flask. You could be buying little trinkets or doodads or some type of electronic. There's so many things out there. Just get out there, start buying stuff. Okay, because I guarantee you, you take $20 and you spend some time and actually research what it is you're buying. You spend that $20 on stuff that you know, and I guarantee you it won't be long before you're making money. So are you ready to get out there and start making money? If you are, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. So many people struggle to put food on the table, put a roof over their head, buy nice things, get a new watch, get a new car, get whatever it is, the new clothes, the new fanciest iPhone, whatever they want. Most people struggle to get that stuff because they don't have money. I want to show you how you can do it, okay? That's why I created this video. So if you want more videos on how to make money from home or online, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Also subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.